Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all the viewers. Hope so everybody would be fit and fine. In this video, we are going to discuss adjectives, proper usage of adjectives and kinds of adjectives. We can define adjective in this way. Adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. From this definition, it is clear an adjective always works for noun or pronoun. Adjective defines noun or pronoun. Look here in the example. Jane is a clever girl. Jane is a clever girl. So in the sentence, clever is adjective. Clever is adjective because it is used with a noun. It is describing the noun. It is qualifying this noun, which is a girl. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. So adjective always defines a noun or a pronoun. Here we will come to know that adjective always describes the color of the noun. A black pen, blue pen, coral pen, green pen, pink pen. Along with this, adjective also discuss the size of a noun, size of pronoun, big, huge, large, little, short. Also, adjective discusses or adjective describes the shape of a noun. Shape of a noun. This is the boxy, oval, round, square, triangular. An adjective discusses the taste of the noun. Bitter, sour, sweet, tangy, tart. These are also the examples of adjective used with a noun. Adjectives show us the order of noun. Flour, fresh, musty, salty, stinky. Texture. Next, we will come to know that adjective gives us some knowledge about the texture of a noun. Bumpy, furry, slimy, smooth, squishy. Sound, faint, harmonious, loud, pleasant, quiet. An adjective gives us some knowledge about the number of noun. Few, 50, many, sparse, two. Weather. Adjective tells something about noun which is related to the weather. Clear weather, dry, foggy, rain, windy. Here are the types of adjectives. Descriptive adjective is said to be, these are the most common forms of adjective, the most common adjective that we use in our daily life. The most common, they are used to describe the qualities of noun. Tall, red, beautiful, strong, delicious. Next is the proper adjective. Proper adjective. If you remember the very second slide of this video lecture series, we discussed proper nouns. Proper nouns. Adjectives which are formed from proper nouns are said to be proper adjectives. These are usually capitalized and can be used to refer to a particular person, place, thing or idea. French is made from France. France is proper noun, so the French is proper adjective. Italy is proper noun, Italian is proper adjective. America is proper noun and American is proper adjective. Christianity is proper noun and Christian is proper adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are used to refer a specific noun. They can be used to indicate either proximity or distance. This, that, these, those. These are the four demonstrative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives which show us the quantity or amount of something. Few, many, several, all. Then superlative adjective help us compare three or more nouns. Three or more nouns. The most, the best, the least, the worst. Superlative degree of all adjectives is said to be superlative adjective. Participial adjectives. Participial. We know that past participle form and present participle form of a noun, of a verb can be used as adjective in the sentence. So here are few examples. These are formed from verbs and used to describe a noun. Broken, a broken glass. Cooked, the cooked food. Driven. Along with this, I shall add one more point. Present participle form of present participle form of a verb can be used as adjective in the sentence. Interesting party. We say interesting party. Interesting is the present participle form of verb, so it can be used as adjective in the sentence. Next is limiting adjective. Limiting adjective help us limit or restrict the meaning of a noun. Each, every, some, any. Attributive and distributive adjectives, we shall talk these two types of adjective in our next slide. So move towards interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask the question which, whose, what. We are skipping compound adjective because we shall discuss compound adjective in our next slide. Possessive adjectives which show ownership, which indicate ownership of a noun or pronoun. We say my car, your house, his pen, her pen. And predicative adjective, wait for the next slide. Attributive adjective. In this slide we shall discuss about attributive adjective. An adjective that comes before the noun or pronoun, which comes before the noun or pronoun, it modifies, is called an attributive adjective. It is always a part of noun phrase where it modifies the head of the noun phrase. You are a great friend. A great friend. Great is adjective, so it qualifies this noun. It is used with this noun, therefore great is attributive adjective. Great is attributive adjective because it is qualifying a noun and used before a noun. So such adjectives which are used before a noun or before a pronoun are said to be attributive adjectives. Look at the next example. My younger brother is a doctor. My younger brother is a doctor. So younger is adjective. What kind of adjective it is? It is attributive adjective because it is used before a noun. Smart people don't have a big ego. Big ego. Smart people. Smart is attributive adjective and big ego. In this phrase, big is attributive adjective. So from this slide we came to know that attributive adjective is a kind of adjective which is used before a noun. So the next is predicative adjective. So predicative adjective are also used in the sentence after a linking verb. Predicate adjective comes after a linking verb to describe the subject of the sentence. So look here in these examples. The dog is cute. The dog is cute. So the dog is subject, is linking verb, cute is adjective. What kind of adjective? It is predicate adjective. My mom seems happy. Happy is adjective. What kind of adjective? It is predicative adjective. Why? Because it is used after verb. So the adjectives which are used after linking verb are called predicative adjective. But in our previous slide we learnt that attributive adjectives were used with a noun. Attributive adjectives were used with a noun. So here is something new to learn. Compound adjective. Compound adjective. So we know that compound means a pair of two words. Compound. If we say compound adjective means when two adjectives are used together. But there is a slight difference. First, understand the difference. Look here, these two sentences are written. I saw a man eating alligator. The next sentence is I saw a man eating alligator. Man eating and man eating. So in these two sentences, which are different sentences, here man eating and this man eating, they are giving us different meaning. So here hyphen is used, which is a punctual mark, which is a mark of punctuation, which is a sign symbol of punctuation. Hyphen, we call it hyphen. So man, which is a noun, and eating, used in the form of present participle. So both are separated with the help of hyphen. So this is a compound adjective. But here man eating, there is no hyphen, therefore we will not say this is compound adjective. So the meaning of this sentence, I saw a man eating alligator. I saw a man eating alligator. So the meaning of the sentence would be in this way. Here I am describing the alligator, that it is one that eats people. What type of alligator I saw? I saw a man eating alligator. An alligator which eats man, the meat of man, which eats man. In this sentence, man eating is different, which is giving us the different meaning than this. Here I am talking about how I saw a man who was eating alligator. Look here, he is the man who is waiting to get the meat of an alligator to ripe. So in this sentence, who was eating an alligator meat, I am not describing the alligator, but I am describing the man. I saw a man eating alligator. Who was is skipped in this sentence. If we add who was, the sentence would also be right. I saw a man who was eating alligator. Alright, so compound adjectives are always used with an hyphen. They are used with a hyphen to get separated. Okay, Allah Hafiz.